Yes. Steve is going to pour the dog food to the container. And watch what Max does. Manna from heaven.
You think we starved the poor thing to death? He's got his mouth packed absolutely full.
Okay. And then he does this sometimes. Is he gonna do it? Yep, there he goes. Eating right out of the container. Okay, say bye-bye, puppies.
Bye-bye, puppies.